Hello everyone, I'm James and today let's unbox a Orient BLDC fan. This fan I purchased it from Amazon for around 2800 rupees, and on the box it is written that energy efficient BLDC motor, double ball bearing for longer life and smoother operations, consistent performance even with fluctuating voltages, and some other customer helpline number etc. are given. And also it has a 5-star rating, which is it consumes 32 watts of power. On this side you can see marketing details and customer complaint contact number etc. is being given. You can just read it, go through it. If you wish you can pause the video and read the instructions. And I purchased this fan because I have seen this Orient brand since my childhood. We had a table fan and as well as ceiling fan which were running very well. Plus I thought of buying some other brands like Atomberg, but they were too expensive, and other brands like Polycab also, but by some reason I could not buy those. I thought of going for Orient Electric. I even thought of buying a fan with a light, LED light, high wattage LED light, but maybe it will not spread too much, I thought, and I did not go for that one. Now here you can see in the box center part it is a main unit. These are the blades and packing is good, and it was delivered very well in time. And this fan which I bought is a brown color. Even a white color was available. I did not go for that because of the dust in our area. So let's check what all accessories etc. we get in the box. As you can see, both the boxes had a sealed tape brand with the brand name itself, which means that they have not been tampered. So here in the box we can see we have a pipe of around 35 centimeter length. I do not know exactly, need to measure it, and a remote cover for sealing and as well as the circuit. This is the safety string, warranty card. This is the grounding earthing cable. Green usually it is used for earthing. Here we see the thing which fell. It is a mounting bracket with the rubber bush along with nuts and bolts. So as you can see, it is a quite, the bottom part it's a translucent. Maybe there is an LED indicator for inside. We'll check it later. This is a remote control operating manual, remote user manual. That's all, nothing else in the box. Okay, this is the main unit. Covers, mounting bracket, remote control, user manual, warranty card, the pipe, safety string, and the earthing cable. So now we will open the blade. This blade, it is of 1200 mm. So if your hall or your bedroom size is around 10 by 10, 11 by 11, this fan can cover whole area. But if your bedroom is bigger than 10 by 10, 11 by 11 or 10 by 11 etc., better go for a 1400 mm blades, a fan with 1400 mm blades. These blades are made of metal, maybe I think aluminum alloy etc. I have not studied much about this blade material, but they have been painted, powder coated etc. Now if you wish, you can even go for a 4 blade, 5 blade, 6 blade fans. Going for higher number of blades fan is advantages. Even at lower speed the airflow will be good and there won't be much noise. So this is the remote control. In the remote control we can see on, off, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 speeds, and there is a speed in center. I don't know much, later I'll come up with that. There are 2, 4, 6 and 8 hours timer. If we press 2 hours, after 2 hours the fan will turn off by itself. The other, we can see the boost button. It is for boosting the speed, extra speed, more than 5 number. So for the LED button, when I press the LED button, you can see the LED indicator goes off. It is like a zero bulb in the night time. Press. As you can see, the fan is wobbling too much because it needs little bit more alignment yet. It need to be aligned and then it won't be wobbling. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.